Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on installation of Python. Whether you are a beginner just starting your programming journey or an experienced developer looking to set up Python on a new system, this tutorial is for you. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It's used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and much more. But before you can start coding in Python, you need to install it on your computer and set up right tools. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process of installing Python. We will also explore some of the most popular tools for Python development, such as Google Colab, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, and Spyder. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional Python environment and the knowledge to start coding right away. Before we dive into the installation process, let's take a moment to understand what you will learn in this tutorial. By the end of this video, you will be able to install Python. I will walk you through the installation process of Python. Use Google Colab, a free cloud-based platform for writing and running Python code in your browser. Then install Anaconda, a powerful tool for managing Python libraries and environments. Then work with Jupyter Notebook. It is an interactive tool for writing and running Python code, perfect for data analysis and machine learning. And the last one, we will use Spyder. It is an integrated development environment designed for Python, ideal for debugging and testing your code. These tools will make your Python development experience smoother and more efficient, whether you are working on small scripts or large projects. Let us install Python. So in the browser I will type Python. Then you can see a link, welcome to python.org. So here you can see different options and I will click the first link, and this is the home page of Python. So if you go down, you will be able to see different options. Here Python 3.13.3, this option is available for download. If I click this one, then if you go down, then you can see various versions. Here you can see Windows installer 64-bit for Windows. So since I am using Windows operating system, I will click that option, and you can see that it is downloading. So it will take some time depending upon your internet connection speed. Here you can see it is still downloading. Now it is downloaded. So I will click this location folder, and this is the installer. I will double click this one, and here you can see install Python 3.1.3.3. Here you can see two options: use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. You have to select these two options and then click the install now button. So setup progress, you can see installation initializing. It will take some time. So the installation process is going on, and after few seconds it will be completed. So the related libraries and packages are installed, and it is showing here. So here you can see that different packages are installing. Now the setup was successful, so it is successfully installed. Now we will run the Python. So you have to search Python 3.13. So this option is available because other versions are already installed in my computer. So since recently I have installed Python 3.13, I will click the open option, and here you can see the Python. Here I will type one simple Python. This is actually not Python code, 1 plus 4. So you can see the result is 5. Then I will type 10 into suppose 445 and press the enter key. So the output will be 450. 67 divided by 3, output will be 22.3. So these are basic mathematical calculations that are I am giving because we are not much more familiar with Python. So I am just putting some example. 78 minus 23, 55. So in this way we can try with some other examples. Now let us first discuss what is Anaconda and how to install it. Anaconda is a popular open source distribution of Python and R programming languages, mainly used for data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence projects. It comes with Python pre-installed. Many important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. Conda, its own package and environment manager like pip, but more powerful for handling packages and dependencies. Additionally, it has Anaconda Navigator, a graphical user interface to launch applications like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, VS Code without using the command line. In short, Anaconda is Python plus useful libraries, parse, tools for manage code easily. It makes life easy for learners and developers, especially in AI, ML and data analysis. Now, to install Anaconda in your machine, simply type Anaconda in Google, and here you will see one link, Anaconda built to advanced open source AI. So this is the homepage of Anaconda website where you can download the Anaconda package. So you can go down, and here you can see AI and data science made easy, access package and tools for development and collaboration, and create your own AI application effortlessly. Here you can see join millions of individuals and enterprises building and scaling their AI initiatives. Then here, if you go up, here you can see that get started now. So you have to log in. I will not log in. So if I click here, then you can see some other options. Here you can see that free download option is available. I will click this one. Then here you can see it is open source, user friendly and trusted. Here you can see discover more. Millions of developers and data science research, innovate and discover using Anaconda distribution. So repository over 8,000 open source data science and machine learning packages, Anaconda built and compiled for all major operating systems and architectures. Jupyter Notebook, SciPy, Spider, NumPy, Desk, Bokeh, similarly Pandas, TensorFlow, Numba, then PyTorch, Conda, Matplotlib. So all packages are included in Anaconda. So here I will click. You can give the provide email to download distribution. You can give your email also. Then you have to check this one and submit. And one option is also available, skip registration. I will simply skip the registration process. So here you can see that download Anaconda distribution or Miniconda by choosing the proper installer for your machine. Anaconda installers are available for Windows, Python 3.12, 64-bit graphical installer. Then for Mac, Python 3.12, some options, some versions are available. In Linux also it is available. So if you want, then Anaconda you can install as per your requirements. So simply click this one, it will be downloaded, and then you have to double click on the executable file or the installer. Then some steps will be given. Simply you have to follow the steps and you will be able to download Anaconda for your machine. So in my machine, I have already downloaded Anaconda for my Windows 11 PC. So I will not again download, and I will not show you how to download and how to install the Anaconda package. I will show you how to work with Anaconda because it is already installed in my own PC. So try to install, try to download from internet. It is free and open source, and install it and then follow the instruction that I will show how to work with Anaconda. Now we will discuss how to work with Anaconda Navigator. So since I have already installed in my laptop, so I will type Anaconda. Then you can see that Anaconda Navigator is available. So when I click this one or click the open icon, this screen will be displayed. So this is the Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see home. Some packages are already showing. Anaconda Notebook. These are some interfaces. Jupyter Lab. Then Jupyter Notebook. Then you can see Spider, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, and some other RStudio. So I will show you how to work with Jupyter Lab. So Jupyter Lab, an extensible environment for interactive and reproducible computing based on the Jupyter Notebook and architecture. Jupyter, I will click the launch icon. So it will take some time to launch. Here you can see that it is loaded. Now, to work with, I will show you from the starting point. So here you can see, so this is a cell where you can type the Python code. Suppose I will type 1 plus 4. Okay, then to run the Python code, I will click this one, run the selected cells and advance. So I will click this one. So here the output will be displayed. So another cell is showing. So here you can see, here the option is available, few options are available. Insert cell above, insert a cell below. If I click this one, this cell will be deleted. If I need a new cell, suppose insert a cell below, I will click this one. So I will simply type Python code hello world. Then to run this code, I will run the selected code. So the output will be displayed. Suppose I want this cell above this Python code. So simply I can go above. So this will be go down and this will be in the top of the here the console. Okay, so here you can see that some options are available. You can copy the selected cell and paste them below the selection. So I have already shown you how to move cells up and down. Insert a new cell above, insert a new cell below. You can delete the cells also. So in this way you can work with, you can rename this one also. So here option, these are all simple steps. File and save notebook, you can save this one, you can download this one. Okay, so in this way you can write the code and execute the Python code using this option. Let us now quickly explore how to work with Jupyter Notebook. So here in the Anaconda Navigator, if I work with Jupyter Notebook, you can go down and you can see it is available in this section. So it is written as web-based interactive computing notebook environment. Edit and run human readable docs while describing the data analysis. So we will simply run a simple Python code using Jupyter Notebook. We have already discussed how to work with JupyterLab. It is similar, but I will show you how to work with. So I will simply click the launch button. It will take some moment and it will be opened in a web browser. Here you can see that it is opened in a web browser. So here this is the interface. You can see the folders, different folders of your system where it will be saved. The Python files you can save in your local environment. So these are already shown: documents, downloads folder, documents folder, desktop files, then favorites. So these are already available in my laptop. Now I will show you. So here you can see that one option new is available. So if I click, 3 options are available, 4 options. One is text file, one is folder, one is terminal. I will not work with this option. I will show you how to work with Python 3. So if I click that option, another interface will be displayed. So previously we discussed JupyterLab. It is similar. Here you can see that this is a cell. So let us quickly review or quickly explore the different options. This is save and checkpoint, insert cell below. If I want to insert a cell below, so you can click this option. Then you can cut selected cell, you can copy selected cell, you can paste selected cell below. So move selected cells up, then move selected cells below. You can run the Python code by pressing this button. You can refresh or restart the kernel. Then here you can see different options: code, markdown, raw, NB connect, convert, and heading. Suppose how you will use this option. Suppose in this cell I will write, suppose, heading. Okay, so here you can see that Jupyter no longer uses special heading cells. Instead, write your headings in markdown cells using hash characters. So we have to push hash, then the meaningful information we can put here. So I will press the OK button. Suppose adding two numbers. Okay, so this is the cell where I will put the code is 1 plus 3. I want to run the code, so I will click the run cell. So here you can see that the output will be 4. Again, if I want to display, suppose hello world, then I can press this run, then the output will be displayed. Okay, if I want to place this cell up, I will simply click this one, it will be up again. I can make it down again, so it will be meaningful. So in this way you can try with some other basic examples, and other options are simple. You can make a copy, you can save, you can download with different file formats. It is available. So for that, suppose Python, you need to save as a Python file. So in that case, you have to click download as python.py file. Okay, if you want to save it as a notebook file, then it will be saved as the extension with .ipynb file. If you want to save as latex file, then .tex it will be saved. So first you try, you explore the functionalities of Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab, then write some simple Python code, you run, you explore, then save the different copies of this file, rename it. You can rename here also, simply click this option, then you can give some meaningful name, suppose demo5, and click the rename, it will be renamed. So in this way I suggest you to explore Jupyter Notebook and the functionalities of Jupyter Notebook. Now let us explore the functionalities of Spyder. So what is Spyder? So in the Anaconda Navigator, if you go down, we have already discussed Jupyter Lab, then Jupyter Notebook, and then here you can see some other option. It is called Spyder. So scientific Python development environment, powerful Python IDE with advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features. So let us see what is Spyder. If I click the launch button, it will take some time. Here you can see that it is initializing, then loading the references, and ultimately you can see the IDE of Spyder. So here Python 3.11 version is used. This is the latest version that is I am now using. So here you can see that this particular window is divided into three parts. This is called the coding part. This is the console part. That means here we can type the Python code, we can execute, and the output will be displayed here. Okay. So here you can see in this section, new to Spyder, read our tutorial. So if you want to see how to work with Spyder, you want to explore, you can simply click this option. So here you can see Spyder, the scientific Python development environment. Spyder is an integrated development environment which is called IDE for scientific computing, written in and for the Python programming language. It comes with an editor to write code, a console to evaluate it, and view the results at any time, a variable explorer to examine the variable defined during evaluation, and several other facilities to help you effectively develop the programs you need as a scientist. So here some example codes and the explanations how to work with Spyder is explained. So let us just try to write some simple, very simple actually Python code. It is not actually Python code. 1 plus suppose 6 I want to evaluate. So previously we discussed how to work with Jupyter notebook. Now I have written here 1 plus 6. Then I will right click here. Then you can see run cell. If I click this option, here you will see that the output is here, it is 7. So if I write suppose print, then you can see it, since it is an IDE, is showing that you should write this type of code. So it is suggesting, here I can see double, it's automatically coming. Hello world, for example, I want to display. Then I will right click here and run cell. So here you can see hello world. So in this way you can write the Python code using Spyder also. Other options are similar, you have to explore. So many options are available. File, you can save as, a copy. Okay, so I suggest you to explore the different functionalities of Spyder using the tutorial available in the here the Spyder section, in this section actually. Let's quickly summarize what we have covered in this tutorial. We started by discussing why Python is such a popular programming language and its key features such as simplicity, readability, and cross-platform compatibility. Then we walked through the step-by-step process of installing Python, ensuring that you can set up Python on your system with ease. We also explored some of the most popular tools for Python development. Google Colab, which allows you to write and run Python code in your browser without any installation. Anaconda, a powerful distribution that simplifies package and environment management. Jupyter Notebook, an interactive tool for writing and running code perfect for data analysis and visualization. And then Spider, an IDE designed for Python, which is great for debugging and testing your code. By now, you should have a fully functional Python environment and a good understanding of the tools available to make your coding experience more productive. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to install Python and set up the essential tools for Python development. Whether you are working on data analysis, machine learning, web development, or just learning to code, Python is a fantastic language to start with. The tools we have discussed, Google Colab, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, and Spider, will help you write, test, and run your Python code more efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you in the next tutorial.